We all know Spider-Man, swinging from skyscrapers, sticking to walls, and dodging danger with his spider sense. But what if I told you that real spiders have powers that are just as incredible? Spider-Man's webs are strong, but in the real world, one spider spins silk that's 5 times stronger than steel. Climbing walls, real spiders do it without a suit. They're secret, tiny hairs on their legs called setae. Jumping spiders don't need webs to move. They leap up to 50 times their own body length with precision and power. Spider-Man has his spidey sense, but real spiders sense danger through vibrations. Their legs are covered in tiny sensory hairs that feel even the lightest movement. And yes, some spiders can fly. It's called ballooning. They shoot out silk threads. So next time you see a spider, remember, you're looking at a real-life superhero. Want more nature secrets? Hit that subscribe button and let the wild amaze you.